Quiapo.
Basta radyo, ibandera mo.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo. 29 days to go edition, before Christmas edition of this radio show. Bandera Night Jams with DJ Tommy G. And the reason we played all those songs, yung mga artists behind those songs, birthday nilang lahat. Promise. Yeah, the last one you just heard was the song Jet Lag from Natasha Bedingfield. Yes, she's one of today's birthday celebrants as well. Si Natasha Bedingfield. Pati na rin si, sino ba ba, yung mga nag-birthdays? Si Randy Santiago, babaero. Babaero. Tapos siya nauna doon si Angeline Quinto, hanggang kailan? Birthday niya rin. O, di ba? Michael Pangilinan, bakit ba ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw by Sherin Regis. Lahat po sila nagbe-birthday today. So, yan. Lahat ng mga artist na yon na narinig nyo, Happy birthday to you. Sa dami nang nagbe-birthday na artist. Ang dami, no? May hindi pa ako na-play. Gawin nating last song. Yung iba pa. Okay? So, yeah. But before we continue, of course, time for some of the latest news and updates once again from in and around Olongapo, Zambales, Bataan, the Subic Bay, Freeport. Ayan. Pero shoutouts muna sa mga nasa live stream, ha. Hello and happy listening sa inyo dyan. Thank you for tuning in. Evelyn Erodistan Antipolo, Janet Enerva, Justin Rice, tsaka si Idol Jepro is also there. Ayan. Idol Jepro is the one responsible for that new catchy, dancey, jumpy station ID ng Radyo Bandera. Ang ganda, no? Gusto ko yung song na yun, ha? Pwedeng panapat sa mga sa mga latest R&B songs, no? Rap R&B songs. Ganda. Radyo Bandera, Station ID, courtesy of our Ka-Jepro of Radyo Bandera, our very own. Yan, napakatalentadong mama. Napaka-talented. Singer, songwriter, rapper, news anchor. Justin Rice. Sabi niya, good evening po sa lahat. Yan, okay. Hello din sa'yo. Tsaka si Evelyn Erodistan Antipolo. Yan, okay? So those are the shoutouts. Kayo rin, kung gusto nyo na shoutout, like nyo yung video. Like nyo na. Now na. And job openings. King NJP General Merchandise is looking for 5 mechanics. Mechanics, no? Limang mekaniko ng motorsiklo. Yan, okay. So maraming kailangan ito, ni King NJP. Yung King NJP is, it used to be Stairway Sandals, pero ano na ngayon, footwear and general merchandise, specializing in motorcycles, okay? Spare parts, repair. Ayun, kasama yung repair, kaya nangangailangan siya ng 5 motorcycle mechanics. Naalala ko yung mekaniko na gumawa ng kotse ko noon, eh. Dinala ko sa kanya, pare, may problema yung brake. Pakiayos mo, ha? O, sige, di inayos niya, no? After 2 days, binalikan ko, eh. Sabi niya, pare, pasensya na. Hindi ko magawa ng paraan yung problema sa brake. Pero pinalakas ko yung busina. Businahan mo na lang, tatabirin yun. O, yun, nangangailangan ng mechanic na magaling, ha? Sa motorcycle. Punta lang kayo sa King NJP Footwear. General Merchandise and Footwear. Okay? Branch number 1, malapit sa St. Joseph School, St. Joseph Church. Branch number 2, may branch number 2 na siya ngayon. Pagpapunta ka dito sa Memorial via the highway, bago makarating dun sa yung pagkaliwa. Paglagpas lang ng Kalayaan exit, yung sa papuntang Subic Bay Freeport, 'di ba may papasok sa loob ng base kung tawagin natin, Ayun, paglagpas lang ng exit na 'yon, yung gate na 'yon, nandoon na yung King NJP sa kabilang side of the road. And bago rin kumaliwa ng papuntang Memorial. Okay? Memorial Park. May gasoline station na Planet bago makarating doon, no? King NJP General Merchandise. That's where to apply. You can also call or text 0916-424-1010. Oh, dali tanda, no? 0916-424-1010. O, sabihin nyo, nag-a-apply po ako. Narinig ko kay kay DJ Tommy G. Opening daw, job hiring. Basta magaling, marunong, na motorcycle mechanic, Baka mamaya, baka hindi naman marunong. Nang-okray lang. Mahirap yan, Kasi magagawa ka ng motorcycle. Alam niyo naman, napakadelikadong magmotor, no? Dalawang gulong lang yan, Kaya there's no room for error. Kaya kailangan magaling talaga mag-repair, And Subic Bay Food Festival. Our friends from Subic Bay Food Festival is inviting you. We will be having, as usual, another edition of it. Every ano yun, no? Every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at the mini golf course, former mini golf course, in between Building 229, Administration Building of the Subic Bay Freeport, SBMA, and yung kabilang side naman is the White Building ng Seaport Department. Okay? The former mini golf course, that vacant lot there. Nandoon ang Subic Bay Food Festival every weekend. Nag-ooperate Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Your best hangout place nowadays, no? Masarap tumambay dyan eh. Okay? Next up, we have this invite for you coming from our friends at SBMA Labor Department. Okay, the job fair will be happening this Friday, ha? Friday na. This is the 33rd anniversary celebration job fair of the SBMA. Spearheaded, of course, by the SBMA Labor Department in cooperation with the Department of Labor and Employment, Region 3, the PESO Office, Public Employment Services Office, and of course, spearheaded by the Labor Department of the SBMA. And brought to you also by Ayala Malls Harbor Point dahil doon gaganapin sa Activity Center of the Harbor Point Mall. This coming Friday naman, the launching of the monthly Subic Bay Freeport-wide cleanup activity as part of the 33rd SBMA anniversary. Launching of the Friday Cleanup Club. Tapat ko, linis ko, pagagandahin ko. Ayan, November 28, Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the in front of Building 229. Okay? So Friday din to, kasabay nung job fair. Pero mauuna muna to, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Pare-pareho tong part ng 33rd anniversary celebration of the SBMA. Pero yung job fair naman, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. pa at the Harbor Point Activity Center. Yung mga gusto mag-apply, ha? The last time we checked, almost 6,000 jobs na. Grabe, ang dami, ha? Ang magiging available. Last time we did this, 4,000 plus yung number of jobs. Pero ang nag-apply, mga 400 something lang. You know, sana dumami this time para maraming masaya kami pag maraming nabibigyan ng trabaho. Whenever we do the job fair, meron kaming on-the-spot feature. Pinipicture namin yung mga na-hired kagad, no? Yung nag-apply doon, nagpasa, tanggap ka na! Alright. Diba, merong ano. Ano ba nalalaman mo? Sabi sa interview, wala po akong alam eh. Ba't ka nag-apply? Pero alam ko kasi kung saan ka nakatira, tsaka yung ano mo, yung kulasisi mo. Sabi nung manager, hayop ka, tanggap ka na. Congratulations! Welcome to the company. Huwag ka maingay ka, misis. Hindi pa nag-umpisa, humirit. Bonus pala, boss. Ayan. What I'm trying to say is job fair this Friday. November 28. Yeah, okay. And then, Friday Cleanup Club, mauuna muna doon. Kahit hindi kayo taga-SBMA, pwede kayong sumali kung gusto yung maki-clean up. Pwede naman eh. Sino naman magbabawal sa paglilinis kung gusto mo maglinis, di ba? Okay. Friday Cleanup Club in front of Building 229. We have this piece of news.